class 8 math exercise 1D. Question number 8. Two questions are left of this exercise. Name the property of multiplication illustrated by each of the following statements. You see here, book is in front of the camera. First part is minus 15 by 8 into minus 12 by 7, which is equal to minus 12 by 7 into minus 15 by 8. See here, a into b is equal to b into a. So this property is commutative property of multiplication. In part 1 of question 8, property used is commutative property of addition. A into b is equal to b into a. Understood? In second, you see minus 2 by 3 into minus 7 by 9 into minus 9 by 5. Here it is given a into b into c, a into b first multiplied then c is equal to a into b into c. It is called associative property of multiplication, where a into b when multiplied and then the result is multiplied by c, and that is equal to first a into product of b and c. It is associative property of multiplication. Third part is minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 6 plus 7 by 8. A into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. It is distributive property of addition, of multiplication over addition. Distributive property. And here in fourth part, minus 16 by 9 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 16 by 9. It is called idempotent property or property of identity. Now in number 5, minus 11 by 15 into 15 by minus 11 is equal to 15 by minus 11 into minus 11 by 15 is a property of inverse. When a number is multiplied by its inverse, it becomes 1, and last one is minus 7 by 5 into 0 is equal to 0. It is property that if any number is multiplied with 0, the result is 0. So these are the properties used here in number 8. So no need to do anything, simply you have to give the name of properties which is given before the exercise here. Commutative property, closure property, associative property, existence of identity, existence of inverse, likewise. So you check from the text before given of this exercise and try to answer. Answer I have already given. Now number 9 is fill in the blanks. The product of a rational number and its reciprocal is 1. Right here 1. Number 9 of exercise 1D. The product of a rational number and its reciprocal is 1. 0 has no reciprocal. It is first. In second, 0 has no reciprocal. The number and the numbers 1 and minus 1. In third, numbers 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals. 0 is not the reciprocal of any number. Fourth, only I have done all these before, but only question 8 and 9 were left, and which is nothing else but to in a number 8 to tell the name of the property which is given before the exercise. I did it, I told you, so you listen me and try to read before the chapter and doing likewise. Number 9 is to fill in the blanks. I have already told you what should be filled. You practice yourself and remember it. Now, division of numbers. Next, we shall do division of a rational number with another rational number. Exercise 1E. Division of a rational number with another rational number. 1E. Question 1. Here given 4 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 12. What to do? You know, whenever there is a division sign, change it to multiplication by reversing the number after the division sign. So it becomes 12 by minus 5. Now cut the number 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. Here is plus, here is minus. So minus will come. It will come 16 upon 5. Minus 16 upon 5. You can leave in this way or write in fraction. 5 3 are 50. 3 1 by 5. Minus 3 1 by 5. Likewise, here are 6 parts. One more I am doing for your convenience, and you do rest of the parts. I am doing fifth one here. Though all are similar. Fifth part is minus 16 upon 35 divided by minus 15 upon 14. As per rule, minus 16 upon 35 into 14 upon minus 15. This minus gets cancelled. 7 5 is 35 and 7 2 is 14. And no more simplification can be done. You will write below that. I have no space, so I am writing here 16 2 is 32 and 5 15 is 75. So the result of this division is 32 upon 75. Likewise, here it says verify whether the given statement is true or false in question 2. So here given 13 upon 5 divided by 26 by 10 equal to 26 by 10 divided by 13 upon 5. So in question 2, a strange thing is given. The answer will be that these statements are false. In question 2 part 1, given that 13 upon 5 divided by 26 by 10, whether it is equal to 26 by 10 divided by 13 by 5. So automatically it will be false, because any number divided by other can never be other number divided by the first number, because division, under division, the rational numbers are not commutative. See the example. Left hand side is equal to 13 by 5 into 10 by 26. 13 2 ja, 5 2 ja, left hand side comes once. 1. See right hand side. 26 by 10 into 5 by 13. 5 to the 13 to the 2 to this also comes 1. So fortunately here it is true because both are 1. Other is reciprocal of the first. So by chance it becomes true, but in other cases it will not be. See the second example. So it becomes true. It should be false, but because this number has reciprocal this and this number has reciprocal this, so unfortunately it is true in first case, but in second or third case you see, second part I am doing minus 9 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 divided by 9. This minus 9 is here. This will not be true. See here left hand side is equal to minus 9 into 4 by 3. 3 here, so it becomes minus 12. And right hand side is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 upon minus 9. 3 there, it is minus 1 upon 12. Because minus 12 is not equal to minus 1 upon 12, so it is false. In most of the cases, it will be false because under division numbers are not commutative. But first becomes true, but due to a funny thing, because both are 1 here. Because reciprocal of 1 is also 1, as you did in question 9 of exercise 1D. So unfortunately it becomes true. But in other questions, second I have solved you here, it's reciprocal. Because once reciprocal is 1, that's why here it is true. But must be false. So a strange thing appears over here, so I am doing third part to show you the case that it is. Let us do fourth part. Fourth. Only if number and its reciprocal are there, then it will be true, otherwise not. Minus 7 upon 24 divided by 3 upon minus 16 is equal to 3 upon minus 16 divided by minus 7 by 24. It will come false, certainly. Left hand side is equal to minus 7 by 24 into minus 16 by 3. Cut it. 8 3 jar, 8 2 jar, minus minus plus, it becomes 14 by 9. And right hand side will come 3 by minus 16 into 24 by minus 7 here, 8 2 jar and 3 jar. Minus minus becomes plus, so it is 14 and 9. Here in left hand side is 14 by 9, right hand side is 9 by 14, which are not equal. So this case is also false. So in most of the cases, A divided by B will never be equal to B divided by A. It may be equal when A is reciprocal of B or B is reciprocal of A. So in question 1 a strange thing has given to confuse you, but never confuse in such cases, because that was a question in which here see 14 by 9 and 9 by 14. That's just reciprocal comes. First is also not true, but because reciprocal of 1 is 1 or reciprocal of -1 is -1, that's why it appears true. So you have to write, because rational numbers are not commutative under division, so a divided by b will never be equal to a divided by b will not be equal to b divided by a. It will be true if b is inverse of a or a inverse of b. Likewise, verify whether the given statement is true. Here, associativity under division, it will also false. Question number 3. Question number 3, part 1. I am doing 4 parts are given. No, 3 parts are given here. So first I am doing 5 by 9 divided by 1 upon 3 bracket close divided by 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 9 divided by 1 upon 3 divided by 5 by 2. This is a divided by b, the whole thing divided by c, and here is a divided by b divided by c. This will come false because rational numbers are not associative under division. They are associative under addition and multiplication, but not in subtraction and division. So remember it. Here I am showing you how it becomes false. Left hand side. Left hand side 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3. So I am writing directly the inverse of that divided by 5 by 2. It becomes 3 3 and 9. It becomes 5 by 3. And when division is there, so right here 2 by 5, it comes 2 by 3. Left hand side. Let us see right hand side. It is 5 by 9 divided by, first I have broke this division sign into multiplication by reversing 1 upon 3 to 3 by 1, because there was a bracket. Here bracket is here, so we shall change first this 1 by 3 into 2 by 5. So what we get here, 5 by 9 divided by 2 by 15. Here will come 5 3 no sorry, don't cut here. 5 here is 15. Now this is 5 by 9. Due to this division sign, 15 by 2. So it becomes 75 by 18. See, just a strange thing appears in both sides. Numbers are same. Here a, therefore a divided by b. When the result product is divided by this quotient is divided by c, will never be equal to a divided by b divided by c. Here, in 3 numbers case, the thing will not occur even one is reciprocal of the other. So this is third question. Might be difficult to you, but you do yourself. I have done one. If you want, I can do more questions. Okay, it will take some time, but I am doing third also. I select only one question for you. So, third part of question 3 is -3 by 5 in bracket divided by -12 by 35 divided by 1 upon 14 is equal to minus 3 by 5 divided by under bracket minus 12 by 35 divided by 1 upon 14. I shall solve first left hand side and right hand side, and I shall show you that the two sides are unequal, means false. So first, by solving this bracket, minus 3 by 5 into 35 by minus 12, 5 7 here, minus minus gets cancelled, 3 4 ja, into after this is 1 upon 14, so it is 7 by 4, here is 1. I will break this 14 by 1, so 2 2 ja and 2 7 ja, result comes 49 by 2. But here see right hand side is minus 3 by 5 divided by, I am breaking first bracket, minus 12 by 35 into 14 by 1. Here we will cut 7 5 ja and 7 2 ja. It becomes minus 3 by 5 divided by minus 24 by 5. On reversing it, it becomes 3 by minus 3 by 5 into 5 by minus 24. 5 5 will get cut, and 3 8 ja, minus minus becomes plus, comes 1 upon it. You see here, left and right hand side are not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, this is false. Likewise. So we have completed up to question number 3. You do properly as I am doing, and we shall proceed further in the next video. So let us take a break over here.